Okay, so let's start creating a new project. This is our welcome screen when you click on Premiere Pro. We're going to be creating a new project, or you can open a recent project. If you've started one in the past, you can check out new features and so on. So for us, we will go to New Project, and a new window opens up. So we have our name here. We will title it Video Editing Course. Our location is set to the folder we created in a previous lesson. So inside Projects, inside Premiere Pro, we will go to Choose, and this is where the project will be saved. Video rendering and playback. Right now I have it set up to OpenCL. If you have a graphics card that can utilize the Mercury playback engine and you have what's called CUDA installed, this is from NVIDIA. It's a free download, and if your graphics card can support it, I would highly recommend using it and selecting your playback engine to Mercury Playback CUDA. For us, we'll just stick with OpenCL. Video, audio, capture, that's all fine. Let's go to Scratch Discs. Any captured video from tape, which most likely you won't be doing, but any captured video will be set to the same as project. Captured audio, the exact same. Video previews, same as project. Audio previews, project autosave, and the CC libraries. So these are all defaulted to same as project, and I would highly recommend keeping them always to same as project. You can change them if you'd like, but basically what this means is all of these things will go and be saved in your same as project location so that everything is organized efficiently in one spot.